Good evening, everyone. My name is V.Thishoharini and I am a data analyst intern at IYAP. Before this session, when I heard the term of servant leadership, I thought it was mainly about being the kind and supportive to others. But now I understand it deeper way. Servant leadership is about saving the people so they can grow, succeed, and give their best. It's not just about being nice. It's about listening, guiding, and holding myself and other accountable so that both people can perform, can try. The principle that touched me the most was listening. I learned that real listening means more than just hearing the words. So it means paying attention, showing empathy, and making others feel valued. When people feel truly heard, like trust is built, and trust is art of leadership. So one action I will take this week to serve better as a leader is support someone in their growth while also improving one stand in my own work. I believe this balance of empathy as an accountability will help me grow as a leader. Servant leadership has shown me that leadership not just about title or power. It's about helping others rise and succeed. So that's all. Thank you.